Oh, hey, Professor Ginger. Hey, are you ready to help make our video on ways to make 6? Let's go. All right. Well, we have a number bond on that easel there, and there's a number 6 in the hole. And today we're going to find parts that make up that 6. How? Well, we're gonna play a game. Tell you what, go get Axel. We're gonna need more players. And when you guys come back, I'll tell you more about our game. Go ahead. Oh, good job, Ginger. All right, Axel. Okay, Ginger, now we're going to play a game. For this game, each of you is going to get 6 tennis balls, like the 6 in the hole there. Now I'm going to put a blue recycle lid in the grass, and your job is to toss the tennis balls and try to get them into the lid. That's easy? Well, wait a second, Ginger, because if you throw the ball too hard, it's going to bounce out. And if you throw the ball too light, it's not going to make it all the way in the lid. You have to throw the ball just right to make it in. What do you think? Are you guys ready? Let's go? All right. Axel, you're up first. Let's go. All right, Axel, you're up first. Now let's see how many tennis balls you can get in that lid. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going. 5, 6. Wow, Axel, way to go. You're good at this game. Check it out. We have 6 tennis balls. We found a way to make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tennis balls inside the lid and 0 tennis balls in the grass. 6 tennis balls in the lid plus 0 tennis balls in the grass makes 6. Axel made 6 tennis balls in the lid and 0 in the grass. 6 is the same as 6 and 0. Way to go, Axel. All right, Ginger, it's your turn. All right, Ginger, you're up. Do you think you can get a lot of tennis balls into that lid? Of course. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, oh man. 4, 5, 6. Oh, good try, Ginger. Hey, we found another way to make 6. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. 3 tennis balls inside the lid and 1, 2, 3. 3 tennis balls on the outside of the lid. In the grass there. 3 and 3 make 6. Good job, Ginger. Ginger made 3 balls inside the lid and 3 balls in the grass. 6 is the same as 3 and 3. Way to go, Ginger. All right, guys, it's my turn. 1, oh man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, I didn't make any inside the lid. I need practice with this game. Ginger, don't tell my baseball buddies, okay?
What?
All right, scholars. There are 0 tennis balls in that lid and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls in the grass. 0 balls in the lid and 6 tennis balls in the grass makes 6. All right, so I made 0 tennis balls in the lid and 6 balls in the grass. 6 is the same as 0 and 6. I'm gonna take another turn. I've got to do better than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, I need practice with this game. There's another way to make 6 though. 1 ball in the lid and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls in the grass. 1 and 5 make 6. Well, I didn't do much better, but I did get 1 tennis ball in the lid and 5 in the grass. 6 is the same as 1 and 5. All right, Axel, you're up again. Wow, Axel, on your first turn, you got all 6 tennis balls in that lid. Let's see how you can do this time. 1, 2, 3, oh no. 4, 5, 6. Wow, good job. All right, we have 6 balls. How did we make 6? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls in the lid and 1 ball on the outside on the grass. 5 balls in the lid and 1 ball in the grass makes 6. Wow, Axel, you did a good job again. Axel got 5 tennis balls inside the lid and 1 tennis ball inside the grass. 6 is the same as 5 and 1. All right, Ginger, your turn. All right, Ginger, it's your turn again. Do you think you can get more than 3 tennis balls into that lid this time? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that was so close. Good try, Ginger. All right, scholars, we have 2 tennis balls in the lid and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tennis balls in the grass. 2 balls in the lid and 4 balls in the grass make 6 tennis balls. So Ginger could have done better, but she did all right. She got 2 tennis balls in the blue lid and 4 tennis balls in the grass. 6 is the same as 2 and 4. All right, Ginger, let's have you go one more time. I think you can do better. Okay, Ginger, this is your last turn. Now, I really think you can get more than 2 tennis balls and even 3 tennis balls into that lid. What do you think? Yes, I can. I love it. All right, Ginger, let's see it. 1, good job. 2, oh. 3, 4, 5, oh, 6. Good job. You threw the ball 6 times. How many balls made it inside of the lid? Good. 4 balls are inside the lid. How many balls bounced out and are now on the grass? Good. 2 balls are in the grass. 4 balls in the lid and 2 balls in the grass make 6. Much better, Ginger. This time you flip-flopped your numbers. You made 4 tennis balls inside the recycle lid and 2 tennis balls in the grass. 6 is the same as 4 and 2. Thanks, Professor Ginger. Thanks, Axel, for helping make our video on ways to make 6. Axel, you're really good at this game. And Ginger, you're pretty good too. I need a lot of practice. But in the end, we found a lot of ways to make 6. Way to go, guys!